Court Uncut, what the people want.
What's up, sir?
Excuse me?
How you doing, Your Honor?
That's better.
My bad. I'm a little excited.
I don't know why. What's your name?
Henry Allen Johnson, Jr.
All right, this is case number 250-571-3801. Peace in Michigan versus Henry Allen Johnson, Jr. Appearances, please.
Philip Braid on behalf of Mr. Johnson, Your Honor. Waive the reading, stand mute. He's been advised of his rights, Judge.
All right, Mr. Johnson, I got some good news for you.
Yes, sir.
$5,000 personal bond.
My
You're not to possess any.
My bad.
Judge, he's excited. You know, he's saying.
I just talked to him about him being excited.
I know, Judge, but he see you in the black robe.
He didn't listen.
Yeah, okay.
Now, how are you to address me, sir?
I have said what's up, sir.
No, how do you address the judge? That's what you were saying. How do you address me?
Good morning, Your Honor. Or where's afternoon?
There you go.
Woo!
My part, the lady just told me that.
Hold on. 1 second, Mr. Johnson. Let's not talk too much. We don't want to talk too much, bro.
I got it, sir.
It's simple.
Yeah, please listen to your attorney.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now listen to me. $5,000 personal bond, sir. While his case is pending, sir, you're not to possess any handguns, firearms, or other dangerous weapons. Is that clear, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, sir.
I didn't hear you.
Yes, sir.
All right. Probable cause, April 25th in front of Judge Robbins. Preliminary examination, May 2nd in front of Judge Taylor. Please step aside, Mr. Johnson.
Thank you, Your Honor, very much.
Appreciate it.
What's your name, sir?
Anthony Williams.
What's your name?
Anthony Williams.
All right. This is case number 250-571-3901. Peace in Michigan versus Anthony Williams. Appearances, please, Mr. Reagan.
Reagan on behalf of Mr. Anthony Williams, Your Honor. Waive the formal reading, stand mute. He has been advised of his rights.
All right, court on that guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Reagan, in light of the fact that there are allegations of shots fired to the complaining witness, why should I not give your client a cash bond with a GPS tether house arrest?
Judge, because you said it perfectly with the first word you said, allegations. That's all they are, Judge, allegations. I mean, obviously, the charges are serious, Judge. My client lives with his parents. He doesn't know the complaining witness, Judge, and I understand that the allegations are serious. My client's in the process of applying for disability, Judge. He just had a really bad car accident. Judge, I'm asking for something reasonable. I'm asking for a personal bond. The court did want to do whatever conditions, Judge, to ensure that he doesn't leave the house, doesn't go around the complaint. We'd have no objection to that, Judge, but I would ask for a personal bond based on the lack of assaultive history that he has, Judge.
Oh, boy. I find that he's a danger to the community, given that the allegations in the report is that they allegedly shook hands and the complainant walked away, and then 5 to 6 shots were heard of the complainant getting shot in the thigh. I find that he's a danger to the community, given that these gunshots. I am going to give him a $50,000 cash surety bond, GPS tether house arrest. He's not to possess any handguns, firearms, or other dangerous weapons. No contact, Mr. Perkins, the complaining witness. Bond redetermination will be Monday, April 21st in front of Chief Judge McConical. Probable cause, April 28th. April 28th, in front of Judge Jefferson. The preliminary examination, May 5th, in front of Judge Jefferson. Is there anything else you want to put on the record, Mr. Reagan?
No, thank you, Judge. You said we have a redetermination here on Monday?
Correct, sir.
Okay.
All right, step aside, Mr. Williams.
Mitchell.
What's your name, sir?
Mitchell.
Case number 250-571-4001. Peace and Michigan versus Devin Mitchell. Appearances, please.
Breaking on behalf of Mr. Mitchell, Your Honor, waive the reading, stand mute. He has been advised of his rights, Judge.
Court are not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Mitchell. Mr. Reagan, does your client have an alternative place to stay while his case is pending?
Absolutely, Judge. Actually, my client, Judge, he lives in Cleveland. He doesn't even stay here. He's not even trying to, be here, Judge. He's trying to go back home.
Cleveland, Ohio?
Cleveland, Ohio. A couple hours away, Judge. I was going to ask if he return, go back
And
home.
what's he doing in Michigan then?
Judge, he has 4 kids with the complaint. He has 4 kids, so he has to see about his kids, Judge. And he's telling me, Judge, this is an argument. It's just never, ever got physical whatsoever. Police never saw him losing.
Okay, Mr. Reagan, that aside, does he work in Cleveland?
Judge, he does. He works for Amazon.
Okay, all right. Mr. Reagan, hold on.
Okay.
How often does he come to Detroit to visit his kids?
And that's the greatest question you done asked, Judge. Mr. Mitchell, how often do you come to visit the kids?
I've been coming, so I moved to
Whoa. Just how often do you come and how often? Just tell us, keep it simple.
every month.
Every month? Once a month, twice a month, 3 times? Twice a month. Twice a month. There we go. Keep it simple.
Okay, that's gonna have to stop, sir.
I will.
$20,000 personal bond. No contact with the complaining witness. You cannot go back to the Chicago address.
Okay.
Now, Judge, I do want to make it clear that he is to have absolutely no contact with Miss Taylor. But now, I don't want to say, he's a black man, he has kids. If there's a third party or someone else outside of Miss Taylor, I don't want him to stop being able to see his children.
No, that's correct. You had to go through a third party.
Third party. All right. Okay, third party. Just nothing with her. Can't call her, don't talk to her, don't say nothing to her, nothing.
I'm about to go right back home to Cleveland.
You may go back to Cleveland where you live and back to Michigan for court. All right, is that clear? You cannot go back to the Chicago address.
Okay.
You're not to possess any handguns, firearms, or other dangerous weapons. Is that clear?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your court dates are probable cause April 28th, preliminary examination May 5th, in front of Judge Jacquet. I want to make it clear, Mr. Mitchell, no contact means just that. No phone calls, text messages, emails. How old are your kids?
I got a 3-month-old, I have a 1-year-old, I have a 3-year-old, and I have a 4-year-old.
Okay, so they're not able to. All right. Just no contact with the complaining witness, sir. Otherwise, you may end up in jail while this case is pending. Is that clear?
That's clear. Yes,
all right, step aside. Step aside, please.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.